Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start mopping on DREAME MOVA E20. To enable mopping or disable it, first make sure that if you want to enable it, the mopping pad is attached. To attach it, just flip your robot over. But before attaching it, first take out this tank by pressing on this button. So press on this button, then pull it out. And now to fill it, find this opening, open it, fill it with water, just water, then close it, then put it in the robot, back again. Oh, it's the other way around. It has to align with these pins.
Dust box has been put back.
Now when it says that the dust box has been put back, you can take the mopping pad and also make it wet with just water. You can also detach it with the Velcro here, but I'm not gonna do it now. And then slide it in until it clicks.
Mop pads installed.
When it says that the mop pad has been installed, you can flip your robot over again. Remember to wet the mop pad and enter the water into the tank. And then in the app, go to cleaning settings and you can change it from sweeping to mopping or vacuuming and mopping. So if you want to mop, choose either this or this option. I recommend this one because it's gonna do both tasks at once. You can also change the suction power and the wetness. And you can also enable deep cleaning, customize rim cleaning, or change cleaning sequence. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.